This video is about Wilwood brakes on a 93 Chevy OBS half-ton regular cab. Has the master cylinder and front 6-piston calipers and four rear brakes or 4-piston calipers from Little Shop makes them. Well, makes them fit. Wilwood makes them. Little Shop will machine them up. Little Shop Manufacturing. And then to hook up the brake lines, it's got the portioning valve right there. And then the front brake line is the right size. It's a 3/16 tube with the 3/8 nut on it, flare nut. And then the back brakes is a 5/16 tube. So it's a 1/2-inch nut. Flare nut. Couldn't get there in one fitting. Couldn't find one fitting. So it goes from 3/8 to 7/16, 7/16 to 1/2-inch. It's the only way I could get that to work. And then the brake light switches right here. Got power in one side. The other one goes to your idiot light on your dash, or your, I guess it could go to your brake lights too. I don't know. I didn't look that up. Maybe I hooked it up wrong. We'll see. Anyways, that's the master cylinder. And then in the back of the master cylinder, if you get the right one, it comes with a little stubby about 2 inches long that goes inside the master cylinder, which brings it out flush to hit the center pin on the vacuum cylinder, on the vacuum pod. And then the front brakes are Wilwood 6-inch. I think I did a video about these. They're Wilwood 6-piston 12.1s. The only thing is, if you want to run 15-inch wheels, the caliper sticks out about a 1/16 to an 1/8 past the hub. So you have to run a spacer. Otherwise, it hits the inside of the wheel on a 15-inch wheel. It sticks out just a little bit. I don't know if you could see that on video, but the caliper sticks out a little bit past the hub, so it hits you. So you gotta put a little spacer in there. It's 1/4 inch, and that's the front. And then the backs are Wilwood 4-piston, and they're machined by Little Shop. They have it all engineered out, bolts right on. Sweet little deal they make for it. I talked to Wilwood. They're not even working on rear brakes for this truck. So if you want Wilwood calipers, 12-inch calipers to fit 15-inch wheels, you got to give Little Shop a email and let them know what you're looking for and pay them, and they'll make them up for you. They'll order a kit from Wilwood and do all the machine. It'll be pretty much a blank kit. They'll go through it with you, whatever you want, and then the 15-inch wheels fit right on here, no problem. They make a little spacer. You can't see it, but the parking brake is the right kind of parking brake. It's a drum brake with 2 brake shoes, like a factory setup on a newer truck, and they bolt right on, no problem. Order it with the hose and everything. Fit right on, no problem. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.